Bringing together the renowned design and engineering of Audi with the conveniences of high-end living, the 2026 Audi Motorhome is a revolutionary take on the concept of luxury travel. To cater to the needs of discerning travelers, this cutting-edge automobile provides a one-of-a-kind combination of performance, technology, and opulence. The design and the workings. The 2026 Audi Motorhome features an exterior that is both sleek and aerodynamic, which reflects the brand's devotion to contemporary aesthetics with its design. The following are some of the expectations, however precise performance details are being kept under wraps. As part of Audi's efforts to achieve its sustainability goals, the powertrain may include hybrid or electric choices. Enhanced stability and control are provided by the all-wheel drive system of the drivetrain. The chassis has been designed to provide a comfortable ride on a variety of terrains, assuring a smooth ride. Features and luxurious interior decor. The interior is designed to compete with that of high-end dwellings, and it features a spacious lounge area that features high-end materials and finishes is included in the living space. The kitchen is fully furnished with contemporary appliances, making it suitable for gourmet cooking. The bedroom features a snug sleeping area with a considerable amount of storage space. Facilities in the bathroom are well appointed and include a shower as well as a toilet. Integration of intelligent systems for lighting, climate management, and entertainment is a technological advancement. The experience of travel designed to accommodate both short vacations and longer trips. The Audi Motorhome places an emphasis on the following. Advanced infotainment systems and internet access are included in the connectivity features. In terms of safety, cutting-edge driver aid systems are included. Sustainability refers to the use of environmentally friendly materials and energy-efficient systems.